everyone, I'm Bridgetta, and today I'm making breakfast in bed for my husband Mark. This is going to be a great way for him to start his day. The main ingredient for this recipe is mini naan bread, and this is what it looks like.
Covered, was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were so.
I'm going to be using two recipes. Nope. Let me start again. I'm going to be using two cheeses today. I have already shredded my sharp cheddar, but now I'm going to shred my smoked gouda. So waiting to see where you're going to be there. Now there's quantities in this recipe, but really as you build it, your egg bake, you'll decide how much you need. So you don't have to follow the recipe exactly. But I am going to go ahead and shred this cheese in my shredder. Let's see, let's cut that one more time. Okay, ready? Now I'm mixing two cheeses together because I just want a different kind of taste. You don't have to do that, but I just think it's going to really make it rich and delicious. So this is what it looks like, and it was that fast. Okay, move that out of the way. And I'm going to cut my cherry tomatoes. Now I have rinsed them already, and I'm just going to grab a bunch of them, cut them in fourths. I won't need this whole package. Now, if you happen to have a different kind of tomato at home and you just want to chop it up, that will work fine too. Funny guy. Okay, now we're ready to assemble our egg bakes. So I'm going to spray, I've put down some parchment paper, and I am going to spray it just to make sure they don't stick. I have my two pieces, so I'm going to brush oil.
Suggestion, put them together and rub them.
No.
Get vetoed on everything.
But I do want to make sure they're well coated. I'm using extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any kind of oil. Our oven's ready. It was preheated to 400 degrees. Make sure you get the edges. Spread it out a little more over here. There's a lot more on one than the other, so try and even that out. Okay, there we go. Move that out of the way. Get a napkin, because I have olive oil all over my fingers. Okay, we're going to start with our two different cheeses. Like I said, you can pick whatever you want. So that's going to go around the outside. And you just want enough. Like I say, there is quantities or amounts in the description box, but really just go with your gut, whatever you think. I can smell the gouda. It smells good.
It does smell good.
Well, it's freshly grated, so that helps, right?
None of that wood pulp in it.
That's right. And it's going to melt better, too. Okay, now I'm going with sharp cheddar. So these are called minis, but I've actually seen Stonefire has smaller naan bread than these, and it has bigger ones. I had no idea. By having this channel, I've learned to use other ingredients. Ooh, hey, throw some cheese. Okay, move those aside. Next ingredient is spinach. And I'm just going to tear that up. And spread it around the outside. Just kind of push it down into the cheese. Okay, that looks good, right, Mark? Mm-hmm. I love the color contrast. Maybe a little more over here.
Basil would be good on this too.
Ooh, that would be good.
Do you have any?
No, unfortunately. Tomatoes. Sometimes the hard part is getting them to stay where you put them. But there's a lot of variations on this. It doesn't have to be for breakfast. You could do like a pizza one with the basil and tomatoes, right?
It's kind of like a breakfast pizza.
Right. So we're keeping the middle clear because that's where our egg's going to go. But the tomatoes want to keep falling in there.
I have an idea. You could have put the egg in the center and just built it around it and then pulled the egg out and broke it.
Well, the egg would, oh, you're saying while it's still in the shell? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I guess you could do that. I didn't think about that.
Try it. See what it looks like.
Well, I'm almost ready for it. Okay. So next, oh, I got a tomato running away. Bacon. This is real bacon, but you could buy bacon bits, and they're already crumbled. So normally when I buy bacon, I cook the whole package and then refrigerate it and then use it throughout the week. So I just heat it up in the microwave after it's been cooked in the oven. Okay, we're just taking the foil off and then putting it back in the oven. And it's going to continue cooking. This part is the important part. You're going to have to keep watching it till the egg is fully cooked, but still runny when you cut it. All right, so I got it out of the oven because we definitely don't want that to burn. But the yolks are done, everything's ready, but we need to let it cool for a few minutes, and then we're going to top it with salt and pepper and chives, and then we're going to take a taste test.
Yum.
Okay, so our final step is I'm going to cut chives. See if I can get them to actually, there we go, land on the egg bake. And I forgot to tell you guys, I was using garlic. Instead of the original, I did garlic flavor. Oh, you want to do it?
I'll try.
Because it looks fun?
Looks fun.
It is. Okay.
You gotta keep them close to the.
Yeah, I think you're right.
You need a few more.
Definitely. Okay. Thank you. And then some salt and pepper. I think the air conditioning is blowing it. There we go. Okay. You might
The
not want.
pepper cannon.
Yes, the pepper cannon. Okay, now we're going to cut it. So we let it sit for about 5 minutes. Oh, I hear a crunch.
Hang on. I gotta get the camera.
Okay. Okay. But now I need to get over here. It's not straight, but I don't think that'll matter.
Oh, smells delish.
So this is what it looks like when you pull it apart. There's still some steam coming off of it. Let me cut this one. There we go.
Going back in the tripod.
Okay. You could do a bunch of them. And to repeat, the recipe that in the description box is for 4. I only made 2, one for each of us.
I don't hear a thing she's saying.
You just want
All
to try
I'm thinking
it.
about is this gorgeous. Mm-hmm. Wow.
Oh man. Wow.
That is so good.
Oh, so decadent.
That naan bread is soft, just a little crispy on the edges.
This is what the package looks like. And like I said, there's smaller sizes and there's also full size, like for pizza. Yum.
Mini naan garlic bread.
So it's a flatbread.
America's #1.
Not
Flatbread.
sponsored though. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. We hope you like this video. This is delicious. You're definitely going to want to make this. And
This was fun. You could put all kinds of different things
oh
on it.
yeah, for sure. Definitely. Lots of different
Thanks
things.
for
Lots
that.
of options. We'll probably use this again.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.
Sort out all the fights, sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep.
easy.
There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby
We can
going
cut the
down,
other
down,
one,
down,
too.
down, down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. us no more. We're done now. No us no more. No, no. We're done now. No us no more. We're done now. No us no more. We're done now. No us no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. And now, no us no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. No, I thought I should let you know. And now, no us no more, we're done now. No us no more, we're done now. No us no more, we're done now. No us no more, no, no. We're done now. No us no more, we're done now. No us no more.